In the intricate and often overwhelming realm of personal finance, Dave Ramsey emerges as a guiding star for many lost in the maze of debt and financial uncertainty. His philosophy, marked by its straightforwardness and accessibility, has become a touchstone for individuals seeking guidance in managing their finances. Yet, the world of finance, with its myriad complexities and constant evolution, often challenges the notion that simplicity can address all facets of economic life. In this more detailed exploration, we aim to dissect and scrutinize the long-term effectiveness and adaptability of Dave Ramsey's financial strategies, considering their implications in a diverse and ever-shifting economic landscape. Chapter 1. The Ramsey Philosophy. Dave Ramsey's financial philosophy is deeply rooted in the debt snowball method, emphasizing the psychological benefits of tackling smaller debts first. This approach is designed to create a sense of accomplishment and momentum, ideally leading to more disciplined and focused efforts in addressing larger debts. Moreover, Ramsey's staunch opposition to credit cards and his strong advocacy for the creation of substantial emergency funds form a two-pronged strategy for financial stability, combining debt reduction with the building of a financial safety net. The Snowball Effect. The debt snowball method is more than just a tactic. It's a journey of psychological empowerment. By addressing smaller debts first, individuals experience a series of small victories, each one building confidence and a sense of control over their financial situation. This method, however, often sidesteps the economic implications of interest rates. In scenarios where smaller debts carry lower interest rates compared to larger ones, this strategy might result in higher total interest payments over time. We delve deeper into whether this potential drawback significantly impacts the method's long-term effectiveness, particularly in light of overall financial health and interest accumulation strategies. Credit cards, friend or foe? Dave Ramsey's viewpoint on credit cards is unambiguous and firm. They are a danger to be avoided to mitigate the risk of falling deeper into debt. This perspective is particularly relevant for those who have difficulty with impulsive spending or managing their debt. However, credit cards, when utilized judiciously and responsibly, can offer several advantages, including building a positive credit history, accumulating rewards and cashback, and providing consumer protection services. We explore whether an outright rejection of credit cards might overlook these potential benefits, especially for those who possess the financial discipline to use them effectively. Chapter 2. The Investment Angle. Dave Ramsey's investment advice often leans towards mutual funds, especially those with a proven track record of strong returns. This advice, while straightforward and accessible, may not fully encompass the breadth and depth of the investment world. Ramsey's cautious stance on more complex investment strategies, such as investing in individual stocks, bonds, or real estate, might represent an oversimplification of the vast and diverse investment landscape, potentially overlooking the myriad opportunities available for financial growth and diversification. Mutual funds, a safe harbor or an anchor? Mutual funds are frequently praised for their stability and the expertise of their professional management teams, offering a relatively secure option for investors. These funds have a history of delivering consistent returns, making them an attractive choice for those seeking a balance of security and growth. However, mutual funds are not without their challenges, including management fees and the possibility of underperforming compared to broader market indices. We examine whether Ramsey's preference for mutual funds is overly cautious, potentially limiting the growth potential of an individual's investment portfolio in an increasingly dynamic and diverse financial market. Chapter 3. The Long-Term Perspective. In projecting Ramsey's advice into the future, it's essential to consider the fluid, ever-changing nature of the financial world. His approach, characterized by its simplicity and conservative nature, may not fully capture the complexities and evolving dynamics of new financial instruments, economic shifts, and the increasing intricacy of global financial markets. We critically assess whether the inflexibility of his advice could pose a risk for long-term financial stability and growth for adherents, particularly in light of the potential for significant economic and market changes. Adaptability in finance. In the dynamic world of finance, adaptability and flexibility are crucial. As markets evolve and new financial tools and opportunities emerge, so too should our financial strategies. Ramsey's advice, while solid and effective for foundational financial management, may lack the dynamism and responsiveness required to maximize financial growth and adapt to new market conditions and economic realities. For example, his approach to debt management, which focuses primarily on the snowball method, could lead to inefficient interest payments over time. His investment strategy, heavily centered on mutual funds, might not fully capitalize on the potential returns and diversification benefits of a more varied and proactive investment approach. Dave Ramsey's financial guidance has served as a navigational aid for many traversing the complex and often turbulent seas of personal finance. His clear, direct, and accessible advice has provided a firm foundation for countless individuals in their quest for financial stability and freedom. However, as with any voyage across the vast and unpredictable ocean of finance, navigators must be mindful of potential undercurrents, shifts in the economic climate, and emerging opportunities. Ramsey's strategies, while offering a strong base, may not fully prepare individuals for the intricacies and evolving challenges within the financial journey. As we conclude our in-depth exploration of Dave Ramsey's financial path, we recognize that financial advice is not a universal panacea. It acts as a compass, guiding but not dictating the course. Equipped with Ramsey's principles and a heightened awareness of the changing financial environment, individuals are now better prepared to chart their own course, steering towards their personal goals of financial freedom and security in a world where financial landscapes are continually evolving.